This is a Soda Black production. I heard you like it slow.
Hey yo, I drop a bag on the rolls with the Tim tags. My niggas lock scamming money out they pen pals. I know a bitch busted open in the club, introduce you to the plug. 10 plates for like 10 cash. I got a call, told him meet me in the back streets. Got out the Jeep just to fuck him in the backseat. I'm not impressed, I said yo the D mad weak. Hit my niggas up, I got him robbed in that ass beat. I tell him that he had the chance of a lifetime. Who wanna be a millionaire? I'm your lifeline. These bitches always checking for me like a Nike sign. Niggas always frontin' when they only to some light time. Beep, 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 is that bleep? Is that you talking to me? Is that deep? If I don't even know you exist, is that beef? When niggas get they jaw broke, is that teeth? Murder, 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 murder. Murder, 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 murder. Murder, 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 murder. Murder, 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 murder. Is that teeth?
My friend, you know what it feels to be up at 4 in the morning? Cause he had his first baby and it was supposed to be yours. Niggas screenshots come instead of choking me up. Now I'm crying on this line like it's supposed to be us. And he don't even feel this shit. I don't think I understand how real it gets. Killing me inside, I can't live this shit. Catch me on the right night and I kill this bitch. In the tattoo, remind me of the bond we built, but I ain't ready to cover it up, so motherfuck these niggas. Ever since I got with you, I so what these niggas? You moved on, so I guess I gotta love these niggas. It's like that, and he don't even feel this shit. I don't think I understand how real shit gets. You're killing me inside, I can't live this.